Hello amazing people, I greet you all once more. Welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Scaling Oneself. I am WORLDIGITAL. So today I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. So today I'll be drilling you on an important skill, which is creating high definition intro outro videos. Wow! So amazing. I'll be teaching you for free. So if it's your first time enrolling to my YouTube channel, I'll advise you to like, subscribe to my on the subscribe button. Click there. Yeah. Have you clicked? No, I'm observing you. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order to receive our updates whenever we upload new tutorials. I hope you are ready. Are you ready? Oh yeah, so click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Let's ride on. So for you to create the high definition intro, outro video content that we displayed, we've designed an app for you. So you check our descriptive part, you download the app. This is the name of the app, WORLDIGITAL Home. This is the app, yeah. So you download it, you check the link at the descriptive part of our tutorial, you download it. So when you've installed, what you do, you just have to click on it. When you click on it, it opens like this. Okay, so it gives you access, and you have to access it with your Google account. So click here. We take automated template. Wait for it to load. So obviously I had already accessed it with my Google account. That's why you see my account here. Okay. So you glide down. So automatically you will see we have free versions. There are free versions for you. You check here on your right, you see free, okay, free version. So there are free versions, okay. But if you want to use the premium versions of this template, you need to make payments, okay. But we have free versions for you enough here, so you have enough free versions that you can use. Is that not wonderful? So I'll advise you all to click on the like button and verify that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell in order to receive all our updates. Are you ready? If you are ready, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Equally help share. So for example, I will take this first template. Let's test this first template and see how it goes. So you click on it, you click on it. It loads. Okay, so you can play it. To see that this template. You see how it functions. You can play it. Click on customize here. When you click on customize, it depends the template that you have chosen. Okay. So here you ask you to upload an image. So you click on upload. You pick an image of your choice. Let me say for example, I will choose. You can put any image that you so desire. So I will choose this. Choose this image. And you click on open above here. The image has been uploaded. You are being requested again to upload an image again, so you click on upload. I can see. Let me choose the same image. Choose this image again. Okay, you have to upload again. Different image. So it depends the template that you are using. Okay, so choose this image. Click on open. I'm sure we have some network issues here. Issues here. Okay, now it has taken. So what you do now is you click on proceed. Then you click on next. You click on next here. And now at this level, so what do you want your main title to display? For example, I want it to display World Digital. I'll type World Digital here. Now subtitle, I can type how to create high definition intros and outros, right? And outros. Now at this level now here, you can choose the resolution. You can choose 720p, that it should be of high resolution, or you choose the 360p. Okay, and now yeah, there's audio, add audio, so you can decide to choose a sound that will be playing behind the template. So let's click on add audio. For example, we'll choose an audio sound. Okay, let's listen, we'll test. You see, there are various categories of sounds that you choose. Okay, I'll stop, come to this one, take high energy, choose for example this symphony, listen to it. So you have the option of choosing any sound that you want. So I will click on choose here. When you click on choose, it has been loaded. So now you click on create preview here. You click on create preview. So it will create the video for you. And now what you do, you click above here on the extreme right here top, view my previews, wait for it to load. It will load. Okay, so I'm advising you already to verify that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, share our tutorials to your loved ones. Okay, so now we'll glide here now to see what we have created. So this is it. It's in process here. Your preview is being processed. It will, okay, so now it's okay, it has been processed and ready. So we'll click on it to see what we have created. Okay, wait for it to load a little bit. It's loading. Now you click on play. See how interesting it is. See. Wow, so beautiful. And now you have the option of editing it. If it's not going well, you come here, you click on edit, you go back to it, you edit. For example, you can edit, you edit it. Okay, you edit, verify. If the picture is not what you wanted, you can change it. If you made a mistake at the level of the text, you can change, you can edit the text. And now you click back on create preview here. Okay, and now you take view my previews. Okay, so wait for it to be processed. So as you see, there are various templates, various free templates. As you download the app, our app, you install. Now you try to create various templates. If you have any difficulties, you will have our link to contact us, okay, for us to help you resolve, so you can play the template. So what you have to do now to download it, on this there's a 3 dots here below here. We have 3 dots below here. You click on it. Okay, now at this level now you see download. You click now on download. Okay, it's loading. And the file will be downloaded. So the file will be downloaded and kept in your file manager. Now you go there now and you check for it. Save file. Now, yes, you take allow. So it's downloading. downloaded starting. So it will download in your storage device. You then go to your download folder. You go to your download folder and you check for it there. Come here, download. Go to your download folder. So this is it here. So this is the template. Wow, is that not beautiful? I hope it's beautiful, right? So I'll advise you to go to our descriptive part. You download the app there. The app is there. You will see the link to the app. You download it, you install, and you create the various templates that you so desire. It's free of charge. I just want you to verify that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel in order to benefit all our updates. There are many videos already, many tutorials, many premium tutorials that have been designed just for you, free of charge. Enjoy.